Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to delete eBay feedback. Now let's get started. First of all, open your eBay app. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. Feedbacks on eBay can only be removed or revised under specific condition. I'll walk you through the steps. If you are the buyer and if you have made a mistake or changed your mind after resolving an issue, you can ask the seller to send you a revision request. Once they agree, you will get an email with the instruction to update your feedback. It's a simple process and your updated feedback will reflect on the seller's profile immediately. If the revising isn't the option, you can leave a follow-up comment. This lets you clarify your original feedback or updates about the experience. And if you are the seller, you can request a feedback revision from the buyer. For that, go to my eBay section. It is on the bottom left corner. It's over here. Scroll down and tap on help. Now search feedback removal over here. Tap on it. And then you will see an option for request to remove feedback. Tap on it and proceed the process. But remember, you should provide a reason and send the request to the buyer. Keep in mind that feedback can only be revised or removed if it violates eBay's policies or both parties agree to the revision. Otherwise, feedback stays on your account. And that's how you can revise or remove your eBay feedback. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.